podcast of us. I am Ashita Wagricha, the helper of this project. Now I would like to introduce my friends as well.
I am Siddhi Kodai, captain and producer of this project.
I am Kanisha Sharma, the producer and manager of this project.
I am Sachi Puja, the helper of this project.
We all belong to MD Senior Secondary School from class 8C.
The aim of our project is to decrease pollution. Pollution causes a great damage to our earth day by day. The acid rain has done great damage for plants, soil, water, animals and even humans, which is so dangerous for us. We have also shown trees affected by the pollution caused by vehicles and industries.
Talk about the elements of our project. The elements of our project are cells, LEDs, batteries, water pumps and many more other electric appliances. Now I am going to show you the working of this project. This is acid rain. Where the development of industrialization environmental problem has caused great damage for mankind. Acidic rain as a common environmental pollution factor has caused great damage to agriculture production, human health, building safety and so on. The system of realizing the real time of monitoring acidic rain in the environment. Thank you.